a baby binder for the Life Choices of Central Michigan's parenting programs to use with their clients. The purpose of the binder is to create organization of the client's child's information. There's an overwhelming amount of paperwork that goes along with becoming a parent. The baby binder helps you to keep everything organized in one place and easily portable. Throughout personal use, I have noticed the baby binder creates confidence and relieves some stress that comes along with being a new parent. In addition to the client using the binder, it is helpful for the other parent, grandparent, or other caregivers to use when the primary caregiver is unavailable. For example, if someone other than the primary caregiver must take the child to an appointment, the baby binder can be brought with to answer any questions about the health history or personal information of the child. This presentation will show a sample baby binder that mentors can use with the clients to create and organize their own binder. Many sections have examples of what certain paperwork will look like. The binder is created with clear sleeves so that the client can easily slide paperwork in and out for use. Sections are also not numbered, so clients can use the sections that apply to their situation. Child information. This section holds the child's identification information. The child's birth certificate, social security card, and information, as well as their footprints, are stored here. Eventually, as the child gets older, fingerprints and school identification cards can be added to this section. Birth records. The birth records section holds the child's heel prick paperwork, hospital paperwork, and all newborn testing information. The sample on the heel prick page also lists the different things the state of Michigan tests for with the child's heel prick as of 2019. Medical records. Although many places are switching to paperless, there is still a lot of paperwork received by parents. The medical records section holds pediatric visit paperwork, laboratory visits, hospital emergency room, and discharge paperwork, walk-in clinic paperwork, as well as eventually adding dental, hearing, and vision paperwork. Medications. This section is designed to store the child's medical information. When picking up a prescription, the medication bag has paperwork on the outside of the bag. This paperwork can be stored in the prescription sleeve. The other clear sleeve can store over-the-counter medication information. Oftentimes, pediatricians give paperwork stating the dosage information for your child. This can be stored here. Clients can also place written papers inside the sleeve of what they have given the child at home, so during medical visits, you can quickly recall what the child has used at home. Vaccinations. The American Academy of Pediatrics, the American Academy of Family Physicians, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, and the Center for Disease Control recommend children receiving vaccinations from birth and beyond. The most amount of vaccinations are done from birth to age 6. The first section has a vaccine schedule and a list of vaccine-preventable diseases and the vaccines that prevent them. The schedule can be copied for clients to add to their binders, or there is a website listed for the client to obtain their own copy. The second sleeve is to store the client's child's personal vaccine record and schedule. WIC. This section will hold all the information and contact from WIC, including records, information, WIC card, shopping lists, and other letters or mail received by WIC. The examples in this section show what a determination letter, WIC card, and shopping lists would look like. DHHS. This section includes everything that has to do with DHHS and the services that they offer. The sections are divided into records, information, card, and notices and reminders. There is an example shown of what a letter may look like, as well as examples of insurance cards. Child custody. This section includes everything that has to do with the custody of the child. The primary sections are Office of Child Support, Friend of the Court, and additional paperwork. Childcare. The childcare section is for any and all information regarding daycare, babysitters, and eventually schooling. Miscellaneous. Lastly, there is a miscellaneous section that can be used to store brochures, community resources, information, or just things that don't exactly fit into another category but would still need to be held on to.